Rice Bran Oil, the natural oil made from rice clapperboard. Introduction. Have you ever heard of an oil made from rice that is popular in cooking, skincare, and natural beauty products? It is called Rice Bran Oil. Rice Bran Oil is made from the outer layer of the rice grain, known as rice bran. It has a mild flavor, a light texture, and contains several naturally occurring compounds that make it interesting for both cooking and personal care. Today, we are going to discover what rice bran oil is, how it is used, and why it has become popular around the world. So, let's get started. Sheaf of rice. What is rice bran oil? Rice bran oil is extracted from rice bran, the layers surrounding the inner rice grain. Unlike some strongly flavored oils, rice bran oil has a relatively mild taste and is often used when you want an oil that does not overpower the flavor of your food. It is also used in some soaps, lotions, hair products, and other cosmetic products. Cooking rice bran oil for cooking. One of the most popular uses of rice bran oil is cooking. It has a mild flavor and is commonly used for frying, sautéing, stir-frying, and baking. Because it has a relatively high smoke point, it can be useful for cooking methods that involve higher heat. It also has a light texture which many people enjoy. Red Heart Rice Bran Oil and Healthy Fats. Rice bran oil contains a mixture of unsaturated and saturated fats. It is particularly known for containing monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Replacing some foods high in saturated fat with oils rich in unsaturated fats can be part of a heart-healthy eating pattern. However, like all cooking oils, rice bran oil is calorie-dense, so portion size still matters. Herb natural compounds in rice bran oil. One of the interesting things about rice bran oil is that it naturally contains compounds such as vitamin E-related antioxidants and phytosterols. It also contains compounds called oryzanols, which are naturally found in rice bran. These compounds are one reason rice bran oil has attracted interest from food scientists and nutrition researchers. However, it is important to remember that the presence of a nutrient or plant compound does not automatically mean that eating the oil will prevent or treat a disease. Cooked rice bran oil in everyday cooking. Rice bran oil can be used in many simple meals. You can use it for stir-fried vegetables, roasted vegetables, frying, homemade salad dressings, baking, pan-cooking fish or meat, and many other everyday recipes. Because the flavor is relatively mild, it can work well with both savory and sweet dishes. Green salad rice bran oil for salad dressings. If you enjoy homemade salad dressings, rice bran oil can be an easy option. Combine it with fresh lemon juice or vinegar, a little mustard, herbs, and your favorite seasonings. Mix everything together and drizzle it over a fresh salad. Its mild flavor allows the other ingredients to remain noticeable. Rice bran oil for skincare. Rice bran oil is also found in many beauty and skincare products. It has a smooth texture and contains fatty acids and other naturally occurring compounds. It can be used in creams, lotions, cleansing products, and facial oils. When properly formulated, these products are designed to help soften and condition the skin. Droplet rice bran oil for dry skin. Because plant oils can help reduce water loss from the skin and improve its softness, rice bran oil may be useful in moisturizing products. You may find it in body oils, hand creams, and facial skincare products. However, everyone's skin is different. A product that works well for one person may not work the same way for another. Person getting haircut, rice bran oil for hair care. Rice bran oil can also be found in some hair care products. Its fatty acids and smooth texture can help condition the hair and make it feel softer. It may be used in hair oils, conditioners, masks, and other cosmetic products. For an at-home routine, always follow the instructions of the product you are using. Avoid using excessive amounts, especially if your hair becomes oily easily. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Why is rice bran oil becoming popular? Rice bran oil has several qualities that make it attractive. It has a mild flavor. It works well in many cooking methods. It contains unsaturated fats and naturally occurring compounds. And it can also be used in cosmetics and personal care products. This combination makes it a versatile oil for both the kitchen and the beauty routine. Balance scale rice bran oil versus other cooking oils. Every cooking oil has its own nutritional profile and culinary uses. Olive oil is well known for its flavor and its role in Mediterranean-style eating patterns. Avocado oil is popular for its mild taste and high heat cooking. Rice bran oil offers another option, especially for people who prefer a neutral-tasting cooking oil. There is no single perfect oil for everyone. The best choice depends on your overall diet, cooking style, and personal preferences. Warning: a few things to remember. Rice bran oil is still an oil, which means it is energy dense. Using a reasonable amount is important. When buying rice bran oil, check the label and choose a product appropriate for your intended use. And remember that no single oil can replace a balanced diet. Healthy eating is about the overall pattern of foods you eat, not one ingredient. White mediums are the simple secret of rice bran oil. The appeal of rice bran oil is its versatility. You can cook with it. You can use it in salad dressings. You may find it in skincare and hair care products. And its mild flavor makes it easy to include in everyday recipes. Sometimes, the simplest ingredients are the most versatile. Clapperboard outro. And there you have it, rice bran oil, a versatile oil made from the outer layer of the rice grain. From cooking and baking to skincare and hair care, rice bran oil has found a place in homes and products around the world. Its mild flavor, useful cooking properties, and naturally occurring compounds make it an interesting alternative to other everyday oils. But remember, no single oil is a magic solution. The best approach is to use oils in moderation and enjoy them as part of a balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural ingredients, food stories, and simple wellness content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Discover simple ingredients. Learn something new. Live well. Chief of Rice Red Heart.